Alright guys, today we got a 2016 Honda Accord. The tire pressure was low, guys, and TPMS light was on, tire pressure light was on. But anytime you check the pressure, or if you have a leak in the tire and you fix it and you check it, if you did not have a light on, light will come on. All right, then you need to reset the TPMS light. All right, so all you do is you go inside the car. You need to pretty much, it's called the calibration. Right, go inside the car, close the door, put the key in the ignition, and you put the key on accessory. All right, and we're gonna be looking at this menu here. Let's move his easy pass out of the way. All right guys, I'm gonna put this light a little bit in this angle so that way we can also see what's going on. All right, so we're gonna press menu here. All right, let's get out. All right, I'm sorry. So we're gonna go into settings here. Once you go to settings, you're gonna use this to scroll. You're gonna go into vehicle settings. Let me put my light away. So pretty much you're gonna press settings here. You're gonna have that screen appear just like that. Then you're gonna be using this to scroll, and this is gonna be the push button. All right, so pretty much you're gonna scroll into settings right there. Right, you see the settings, and you're gonna push this button in. Then you're gonna be, the first thing right there is the TPMS calibration. All right, so you push this on it, and then it's gonna ask you to cancel or calibrate. We're gonna turn this knob, and it's gonna go on to calibration or calibrate. Once you have it on calibrate, you're gonna push this button down, and it's gonna say calibration has started. Calibration started. Right in the below it said that again. All right, let me do it again all over. So go to calibrate. Right in the bottom, you're gonna have a calibration started message. All right, and you're all done. And this little light of the tire that will display in the screen will go away. All right guys, thank you, subscribe, and bye bye.